It's time to upgrade the way I drive. This is the CP PLUS CarKam CP G41. Yeah, the same brand behind the country's most trusted CCTV cameras, a name you already know. This model, the CP PLUS CP G41, doesn't need Wi-Fi or hotspot as it runs on the power of 4G. This is a 4-megapixel dashcam built for clarity, security and complete peace of mind on the road. Mounting the CarKam is super easy. Just attach the dashcam, plug in the power and you are ready. Just download the EzyKam Plus app from the Play Store or App Store. Sign up with your email and log in. Tap the plus icon and select the dashcam category. Then choose the CarKam G41 model. Now scan the QR code printed on the back of your dashcam. Loading screen shows registering device to device online. The app will automatically register your device. Once online, you will be able to view your dashcam's live feed right from your phone. Phone screen shows live view with real-time road feed. Just like that, you are connected, streaming and protected. Let's head for coffee, shall we? Park my car in an unknown spot, but I'm not worried. Even with the engine off, it keeps recording. That's parking mode. It works only when the hardwire kit is installed. Even when I'm not around, I can still see what's happening. With remote viewing, my car is just a tap away live on my phone. 4G changes the game. I get real-time video wherever I am. My family can connect with me live via the two-way talk feature. And if the car moves without me, I get an alert. And I can track it live thanks to live tracking. I know what you're thinking. Time-lapse videos take up a lot of space. But let me tell you, this camera can support up to 512 GB of storage. It's not just video, it's audio too. This CarKam has a built-in microphone that captures conversations too. Nice, right? That was close. And this is where the real use case comes in. In case of an accident or sudden braking, the G sensor steps in. It automatically logs and saves the footage. This isn't just a dashcam. It's a peace of mind every time you are on the road or you are away. With features like parking mode, 4G LTE, time-lapse and more, it's the perfect companion for any journey. I have mine. It's time you get yourself one.